Yo, what up? If any of you are new to my channel, my name is Ohsnapsfood, also known as Don Academia. Today, I'm gonna take you on an adventure with food. Now, I'm talking any kinds of foods. I'll be eating fast food, all you can eat buffets, cheap and pricey eats, and not to mention my favorite, a good home-cooked meal. So, come join me on this adventure, and I'll show you what I like to eat. Let's go! Hey, what up guys? Today, I'm here at Mama Bird's Southern Kitchen. This is their second spot, the newest spot. It's been open for only 3 days. January 6th, 7th, and 8th is their grand opening days, and everything's 50% off today. And I heard that they have an award-winning chicken sandwich, and that's what I'm here to try today. With some chicken and waffles, some smoked brisket hash, a mac and cheese chicken and waffle sandwich. Like, dude, are you guys ready for this? It's making my mouth water just talking about it, so I think I'm ready. Are you guys ready? Let's do this. Let's dig in.
I got you. Mama Bird's Southern Soul Food Kitchen. You know what I'm saying? Originated out of Texas. Turn this first page, man. You got the non-alcoholics right here. We're really big for our ginger beer. You want to make ginger beer with a little alcohol? We have that too. Yes. Okay. Those are gonna be our mules. We are a bourbon bar. We have bourbon. We have flights here. So if you never had bourbon and you want to know what bourbon is, there it is. Turn to the next page. Go over here. You got your snacks and stuff. You have your fried chicken sandwich, #1 chicken sandwich. Everybody be like, how and why? On Yelp reviews, all the Yelp reviews, they add everything up from the chicken sandwich, and it was this place that had the #1. Yes. Wow. It's on the side of the wall, right over there when you guys, come through, get a little tour. Yes.
Good to know.
Got your seafood, po' boys. Come over here, you got your salads, you have your chicken tender. We smoke our wings, everything is smoked in-house. Smoke our wings, it's bomb. Nobody really smoked their wings, you fry them up. We smoke them and then fry them. Okay, you ready them naked, bomb. And then of course you got your barbecue, come with the brisket, the ribs, okay? And then of course it is breakfast right here. You come over here, gonna have a whole mama breakfast. We have very big portions, very big portions. You will be full. You will be grabbing your belly coming out of here. Right?
Word.
Yes.
Hell yes. This one here is the lime mule with a freshly sliced lime. This one is the brown butter old fashioned, and it has fresh grated cinnamon. And this one is the smoke show. This one is made with bacon infused BSB 103 Brown Sugar Bourbon, which is owned by Jamie Foxx. I think the food is here. Check it out, guys. Oh. Oh my God. What the hell did we get ourselves into?
We're in trouble, boy. We're in trouble.
All right, guys, this is it. I am about to devour my mama's fried chicken sandwich. Look at that. Look at that. Mmm.
Yes.
All right. And get more on there. Mmm. Yes. Smash that down. All right, let's enjoy. All right. Wow. Can you guys hear that crunch? Holy wow. The batter. I had to spit on my camera. The batter, the pickles, the lettuce, the tomato. I'm about to try some hash right now. Oh, that's hot. All right. I'm about to try this smoked brisket hash, and it's mixed with sweet potatoes. Look at that. Oh my. Wow. The sweetness, the savoriness. And this biscuit. Wow. I better give her a plate back because I'm gonna finish this. You guys ready for some chicken and waffles? I don't even know how to start or where to start. Look at this plate. Yo, if you guys work out, I know it's fried chicken, but like, dude, look at all this chicken. This is a lot of protein. Wow. Finger licking good. I'm not really a fan of mixing my syrup and chicken, so I'm just gonna pour it all over the waffles. Actually, I'm not even a pour over waffle syrup type of guy either. I just dip my stuff, so that's how I roll. So like I said, I'm just gonna dip. And now, take a bite. Welcome to Mama Bird's Southern Kitchen. Batter is so bomb. The food is so good. Wow. And the crisp. It's fried to perfection, guys. Wow. And by the way, check this out. This chicken sandwich has been an award winner for 3 years, and they said going on 4, hopefully, but I think it's gonna hit 4 years. What do you guys think? You guys should comment below. Another bite. And they play good music. Yo guys, if you guys are Star Wars lovers, make sure you guys check this spot out. It's back here where the restrooms are at here at Mama Bird's. This is actually where the 2 restaurants connect. This is Ola Casina Cantina, and this is where it all connects. Kitchen, apparently all connected together back there, and we'll see that someday. So check this out. We got the Darth Vader. Yeah. So again, if you guys are Star Wars fans, make sure you guys check this area out. It's in the restroom and in the hallway that connects Mama Bird and Ola Casina Cantina. All right guys, I am done. Again, I am here at Mama Bird's Southern Kitchen out here in South Summerlin. So make sure you guys check them out. This is their 3rd day open, all right? It's only January 8th. So you guys won't get to enjoy the 50% off like we are here, but hey, try the food either way. Remember, it's an award-winning chicken sandwich that I got. And you saw it, my plate's gone, yo. The fries, I wanted to eat more fries, but I'm so full. And honestly, I don't really eat sweet potato fries, if you noticed, but or sweet potatoes in general. But anyway, I will see you guys in the next video, all right? Guys, so just make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe below, and hit that notification button.